How to turn a PDF file into a fillable PDF form. Today I will show a simple way to turn a non-fillable PDF file into a fillable PDF form with simple steps, thanks to pspdfkit.com. First, open your browser and go to this link. Next, upload the PDF file that we want to convert. In our case, it is this non-fillable.pdf. Then, follow the intuitive UI to add text field or other available fields to make the PDF form interactive. After it looks good, download and give it a try. Now that this form is fillable, you can use Power PDF Filler for Microsoft Excel to automatically fill in thousands of forms within minutes. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.